So what's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to fix if you're having the trouble with Elden Ring is having an issue with matchmaking or not working error, and how we can completely fix this out. So let me directly get into a step. So the first one is all about you need to close the matchmaking and wait for a few minutes in order to continue further. So you can just go over here. If you're already in the matchmaking, you can go to the settings, or you can just exit from the game if you wanted to, and after you successfully exit from the game, you can just go back and you can check. That even helped a few users, so you can try this out. Next one, this matchmaking issues happen if many of the users when you are trying to play the game with 2 people at a time. So we need to leave the team with a single player, then you just need to ask your friend to leave, then ask the friend to set the same password, then you have to join with them. Then afterwards, you can just join back with them as well, and you can just get into it and try checking with the game. That's all you have to try. So third step that is worked for many users is all about, you just need to go over here in the game, just tap on escape button over here, then you need to tap on the 3 button over here and go to the settings over here. Right now from here, the settings we have options like game options, camera options, display, sound, network, control settings, keyboard, then you have graphics, then you have quit game as well. So if you're already in the game, you can just go for return to the title menu over here like this, or you can go to the desktop if you wanted to. But what we need to do is just go over here, go to the over here, you can just navigate to the network. Make sure one thing, you can do the same step even in the game initial starting itself. You should not be, there is no necessary that you have to be in the game. So I'm demonstrating it with here. So for the time being, I'll do one thing. I'll go for return to the title menu, go for yes. Now you can navigate to new game or continue if you want to do, that is fine. Or what we need to do is just go back over here. You can just go back. This is how it looks like. We have options like continue if you wanted to continue the game, or if you're in the load game, you can go for it. There is an option called system, tap on this one. Now from here, you can get into network. So right now I'm not into any game. So what I need to do is, if the system over here, as you can see, it is cross region play. If it is not matchmaking, set this to matchmaking. And once afterwards you set this to matchmaking, save the password and save the changes, and you just need to go back. Then after you just need to go back, you have to check with it. Afterwards, you just need to come back once again. And what we need, just go over here in the system once again, just go to the network. And this time the cross region play should be changed into perfect matchmaking or perform matchmaking. Then you have to save the password. Just save the password that you set this up and just go for OK and go back. Now you need to play the game, and that's what you have to try, and you have to check with the game. So after you still set this up, afterwards you set the matchmaking is already done over here, then you can just go back and over here, and you can just move to the further on the privacy policy and all those things. Just will be getting these kind of things. You can just get into the game, and you can just go over here and you can check with the game, and you can just proceed further, or you can just go back over here and you can try continue to play the game as well. Now this is what you have to do, and that's what it is. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe over here, and you can just go over here to the game, or if you wanted to, you can just go back from here. You can continue playing the game with whatever the game you are already continuing. You can just get into the game and try continue playing the game. Now afterwards, you'll not be having the error. So most probably this issue is happening for many of these because this is an end that is happening from the developer end. So you just need to wait for this one to completely done, and also try some of the steps which I did. And afterwards, if you're trying to play with multiplayer, it will be working fine like for everyone, and you don't have to worry on this. That's what it is. And I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. That's it. Bye bye.